Welcome to WhatsQ. We have seen that RERA has been enacted and it has been in effect, and all the projects, no builder is allowed to take out the projects without registration under the RERA. But let's look at the situation. Is there any situation where you are not required to take the registration under RERA and you can carry out any construction or any development project without that? So today's we will just look into those situations where RERA registration is not required as per RERA Act 2016. So these are the cases where registration is not required under RERA under section 3 subsection 2. So the first under subsection A, it says that where the area of the land of proposed to be developed does not exceed 500 square meter, or the number of apartment proposed to be developed does not exceed 8 inclusive of all phases. So if it is the development, the promoter is developing any apartment, that total number does not exceed 8 numbers of apartments, or the 8 numbers of plots, not a plot, 8 number of apartment or flats, and the area of in which the development project is going to take place is 500 square meter or less, then you don't need to take the registration. Further, provided that if the appropriate government consider it necessary, it may reduce the threshold below 500 square meter or 8 apartment, as the case may be, inclusive of all phases, for exemption from registration under this act. So this the government has been given right to reduce these numbers and this area square meter. But as of now, if the construction area is 500 square meter or less, then you don't need to take the registration under RERA for the construction of the project. Let's look at the next situation where the promoter has received the completion certificate for the real estate project project prior to the commencement of this act, means RERA. Then in that case he don't need to take the registration under RERA if he has already received the completion certificate prior to the act become applicable. The next is for the purpose of the renovation. If you are carrying the project for the renovation or repair or redevelopment which does not involve marketing, advertising, selling of new allotment or any apartment, plot or building, as the case may be, under the real estate project, and then in such case RERA registration is not required. So if you are going to take out the repair work or any renovation work of your building under which there is not going to be any new project, or there is not going to be any new apartment available for sale, or there is not going to be any marketing or any advertising for selling of new allotment, then in that case, in such situation, RERA registration is not required. So these are the 3 scenarios under section 3 subsection 2 where you don't need to take the registration under RERA for construction or the repair works. I hope you find this information useful. If you liked our video, please do click on the subscribe button and join us, and keep watching WhatsQ for more video and more information. Thanks you.